Hey, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're talking about something that many of us shy away from, DIY Brazilian waxing kits. With salon prices soaring, it's no wonder people are trying to tackle this at home. But does it really work? I've tried 3 different DIY waxing kits, and I'm going to give you the honest scoop on how each one performed. Let's get started. Today, I'll be reviewing 3 DIY Brazilian waxing kits. The Smooth Glow Waxing Kit, the Bare Beauty Waxing System, and the Natural Waxing Experience Kit. I'll walk you through each one, show you how they work, and share my results. Plus, I'll give you the lowdown on each kit's price, ease of use, and overall effectiveness. First, let's talk about the Smooth Glow Waxing Kit. This one's a budget-friendly option that comes with hard wax beads, wooden spatulas, and reusable cotton strips. I heated the wax, applied it to a small section of skin, and pressed the strip on. The wax was a little tricky to work with. It didn't spread evenly and I had to apply it a couple of times to get it to stick. While it removed some hair, it didn't get all of it on the first try, and I had to go over the same spots. For the price, it's not terrible, but it's a bit messy. Now let's look at the Bare Beauty Waxing System. This kit is a little more expensive than the last one, but it comes with everything you need, including a wax warmer, pre-waxed strips, and an aftercare lotion. I like that it came with a warmer because it ensured the wax was at the right temperature, making it easier to apply. It was definitely more effective than the Smooth Glow, and I noticed less tugging when I removed the strips. The wax adhered well and gave smoother results, but there was still some pain involved. Finally, we've got the Natural Waxing Experience Kit. This one's all about natural ingredients. So if you're looking for something gentler, this might be the one. It's got beeswax, lavender, and chamomile, which made it feel soothing on the skin. The wax applied easily and removed the hair in one go. But the formula was a bit thicker than the others, so it required a little more effort to remove. The pain level was similar to the Bare Beauty, but it felt more gentle, which was nice. Now, let's talk about a few tips that will help make your DIY waxing experience smoother and more effective. First, make sure you prep your skin properly. Cleanse and dry the area before waxing. This ensures the wax sticks better and gives you cleaner results. Second, work in smaller sections. It might take a little longer, but this makes the process less painful and more precise. And if you're worried about pain, waxing right before bed can help because your skin won't be as sensitive. After you're done, don't forget to apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera to reduce any irritation or redness. So, after testing all 3, here's what I think. The Smooth Glow Waxing Kit is definitely the most affordable option, but you'll need to work a bit harder to get the results you want. It's okay if you're on a budget, but it's not the easiest kit to use. The Bare Beauty Waxing System is a great middle ground. Better performance and fewer touch-ups required, but it's a bit pricier. The Natural Waxing Experience Kit is perfect for anyone who prefers natural ingredients and a more gentle approach, but it does take a little extra time to get that smooth finish. So what's my top pick? I'd recommend the Bare Beauty Waxing System for its ease of use, consistent results, and overall effectiveness. If you want something a little gentler, go for the Natural Kit. But if you're just getting started and want to save a few bucks, the Smooth Glow Kit will do the job with a bit more effort. Have you tried any of these waxing kits before? Or do you have a favorite that I didn't review? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe for more beauty tips and DIY reviews.